Isabella, you can't go in there. Gotta wait.
Who is it?
Are you happy Grandpa Williams is here? Hi, Da. Have a good flight?
Yes, I did. Like you more. You excited?
She's like, good clothes. I was looking at those.
Did she see your face?
She goes, look really close.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, my ears are still.
You were going to play before?
Yeah.
No. Bree's coming. Just Bree. For you.
For a whole week.
Just for you.
Don't even tell me.
Find my ride and then I'll call when I get
Feel my heart. Aw, you excited? Yay. It's your special week. It's Bree week.